y'all, Allison here, Director of Risk Tolerance at Simpler Trading, and I have the trade for you to consider playing on meta earnings. Now, this is a strategy that I've played several times on meta earnings in the past. It typically has worked out very well for me. So it's what I'm looking to play for tomorrow. Now, keep in mind, I would not put this trade on until closer into tomorrow's market close. The reason why is our earnings are after market tomorrow. So the idea is we want this trade to be positioned as much as we can to that market close price, so that way we're evenly weighted on both sides. And let me explain what I mean by that. Meta is a consistently volatile mover around earnings. Now that's of course not 100%, but a lot of the times, as you can see here, gap down, gap up, gap down. You can't see the earnings, it was right there, but it was a gap up, right? So a lot of times you can anticipate that volatility either up or down. So the idea is to play off that consistency. We won't choose necessarily a certain direction, we'll play for the possibility of both. And so if we're trading near 595 going into market close tomorrow, and the anticipated range is still around 48 points, this is the trade I would look at. I would basically, instead of selling to open an iron condor, which is probably what most of you are familiar with as a premium theta crush style trade, instead we are going to buy to open an iron condor. It's basically buying to open two debit vertical spreads within the anticipated range, in particular trying to place our short strike at that anticipated range. So let's just start simple with 2.5 width spread. We'll go over here to the other side. Actually, this one I maybe bump up a little bit. There we go. And so actually, this doesn't look too bad right now. We'll see if we could actually get this fill. But currently, this is anticipated to be about $1 cost basis, a 150 profit potential, excellent risk versus reward. Normally for these style trades, if I'm looking at a 2.5 width spread, it's not uncommon to pay up to $1.30 when you're going into the close before the announcement because of how premium works. If we widen the spread a little bit, that has a bit better open interest on those strikes. Slightly better on this. So if we were to do something similar, stick with a 5-point spread, 228 cost basis, 272 profit potential. But the idea is typically when Meta has earnings, we get those big gap moves either up or down. And a lot of times they're either at or past the anticipated range. So it makes for one of these two verticals ideally to go in the money and allow for a quick profit. So that is how I'm looking to play Meta earnings. Once again, if we're trading at 500 tomorrow, these strikes will shift accordingly. So that way they're right at the anticipated move with the short strike going into the announcement tomorrow. And I will probably look to open this personally in the last 30 minutes of market. So I'm as close to that closing strike as I can be with where my strikes need to be for the anticipated move. Thank you guys so much for joining me. As always, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedis, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Bye. Hey, Allison Ostrander here, Director of Risk Tolerance at Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and comment down below to help us out. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release our next video. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. As always, may the trade be with you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.